How to protect your laptop from viruses and malware. Complete beginner guide in today's digital world. Protecting your laptop from viruses and malware is more important than ever. Whether you use your laptop for work, study, or entertainment, online threats are everywhere. Viruses and malware can slow down your system, steal personal information, damage files, and even take control of your device.
In this video, I'll show you how to protect your laptop from viruses and malware using simple, safe, and effective steps that anyone can follow. First, let's understand what viruses and malware are.
Malware is a general term for malicious software designed to harm your computer. This includes viruses, spyware, ransomware, trojans, and adware. These threats often run silently in the background, making them difficult to detect until serious damage is done.
So how do laptops get infected? The most common way is through unsafe downloads.
Downloading software, movies, games, or cracked programs from untrusted websites is extremely risky. Many of these files contain hidden malware that installs automatically when you open them. Another common source is phishing emails. These emails look legitimate and may pretend to be from banks, delivery services, or popular websites. Clicking links or downloading attachments from these emails can infect your laptop instantly. Unsafe websites are another major risk. Visiting websites filled with pop-up ads, fake warnings, or suspicious links can trigger malware downloads without your knowledge.
This is why safe browsing habits are essential. Now let's talk about how to protect your laptop. The first and most important step is using antivirus protection.
On Windows laptops, Windows Security provides built-in protection that is effective for most users. Make sure it is enabled and updated. On MacBooks, macOS includes built-in security features, but using additional trusted antivirus software can add an extra layer of protection.
Next, always keep your operating system updated. System updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities exploited by hackers.
Delaying updates leaves your laptop exposed to known threats. Software updates are just as important.
Outdated applications can have security flaws that malware can exploit.
Update your browser, Office software, and other commonly used apps regularly.
Safe browsing habits play a huge role in protection. Only download files from official websites or trusted sources.
Avoid clicking on suspicious ads, pop-ups, or fake download buttons.
If a website looks unsafe, leave immediately. Email safety is another key point. Never open attachments or click links from unknown senders.
Even if an email looks official, double-check the sender's address.
When in doubt, don't click. Using strong passwords is essential.
Weak passwords make it easy for hackers to access your accounts. Use unique passwords for important accounts and consider using a password manager to store them securely.
Enabling a firewall adds another layer of security. Firewalls monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic and block suspicious activity.
Make sure your firewall is turned on in system settings. Public Wi-Fi networks can be dangerous.
Avoid accessing sensitive accounts such as online banking when using public Wi-Fi.
If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a trusted VPN to encrypt your connection. USB drives can also carry malware. Avoid plugging unknown USB devices into your laptop.
Always scan external drives with antivirus software before opening files. Let's talk about warning signs of malware infection.
If your laptop suddenly becomes very slow, shows excessive pop-up ads, crashes frequently, or redirects your browser to unknown websites, these could be signs of malware. If you notice these symptoms, run a full antivirus scan immediately.
Regular scans are important even if your laptop seems fine. Schedule automatic scans to catch threats early.
Early detection can prevent serious damage. Backup is another important protection step.
Regularly back up your important files to an external drive or cloud storage.
If malware damages your files, you'll still have a safe copy.
Avoid pirated software. Cracked programs are one of the most common sources of malware.
While they may seem free, they often come with hidden costs in the form of security risks.
Parental controls and user permissions can also help. Avoid using administrator accounts for everyday tasks.
Limited user accounts reduce the risk of malware making system-level changes.
Long-term security is about good habits. Stay informed about online threats, be cautious with downloads, and regularly review your security settings.
A few simple habits can protect your laptop for years.
In conclusion, protecting your laptop from viruses and malware doesn't require advanced technical skills.
By using antivirus protection, keeping your system updated, practicing safe browsing, and staying alert, you can significantly reduce the risk of infection. A secure laptop is not only faster and more reliable, but it also protects your personal data and privacy.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and this concludes our tutorial series.